All right. This is another video for Math Models, Unit 8, Lesson 5. Um, Looking at this one, it's a lot of similar information to the last lesson, Unit 4, or Lesson 4. It's talking about deductibles and copayments, just basically looking at the way insurance works. So it's kind of like auto insurance, but also health insurance. And just to kind of give a little bit of an intro when it comes to the auto insurance. With auto insurance and homeowners insurance is another one that works like this. If you have something that happens to your car, you're going to pay the deductible, and the insurance company is going to pay the rest. That deductible is for any incident. It's the amount you're going to have to pay. And so really these are pretty simple. Like the first one, you damage your car and it will cost $7,200 to repair. You have $1,000 deductible. How much will the insurance company pay? It's this easy. You know the total cost is $7,200, and you will pay $1,000 in the deductible, leaving $6,200 for the insurance company. And that is pretty much what's happening in all of these problems. You're doing subtraction. You have the total, you have a deductible, and what's left is what the insurance company will pay. That's it for number one. Number two, number three. Then it gets down to copay for medications, and this is or doctor's visits. And copays is a flat amount that you pay. It's like it doesn't matter how much the medicine costs. You pay the copay amount, not the actual amount. So literally, I don't even need to do any calculations here because it says here the doctor prescribes the medicine. It's available in generic $37, but your copay is $15. How much will it cost you? $15. That's it. So copay is just like this is how much you're going to pay no matter what. Similar deal here. You just need to read the question. It says that the copay for medically necessary brand names is $30 and generics is $5. So again, it doesn't matter how much those medications cost really. Your copay is all you're ever going to pay. So how much will it cost you if it's medically necessary to get the brand name? And it says medically necessary brand names are $30. And so that's the answer. And I'm just going to scroll down to make sure. The rest of these are percentage problems. So you need to understand that it's going to say there's a total amount. It's going to say a deductible, and then it's going to have a percentage. And so what you have to do, and I'll just do number 7 as an example, a gallbladder operation will cost $34,985. You have a $1,500 deductible, and then your insurance will pay 80% of the remaining cost. So we did one like this in the previous lesson, but we'll do this one. So we have $34,985. That's the total cost. And then we're going to take away $1,500 because that's how much we have to pay for our deductible. And then the insurance is going to pay 80% of what's left. So we'll do 80% of the answer. So 80% of what was left here is going to be, that's how much the insurance company is going to pay. $26,788. There it is right there. And so then we will pay the difference, which is the difference between the original cost, which is $34,985, and we'll subtract $26,788 because that's the total minus the insurance company's share. So we will pay $8,000, $8,197. And so the rest of these are all exactly like that. You have a deductible, you have a percentage, and in some cases you have what you call an out-of-pocket maximum. So if you have an out-of-pocket maximum, you can never pay more than that amount. So then if you get an answer to, like in the previous problem like this, 8,197, and your out-of-pocket maximum is 3,500, that's all you pay. You cannot pay more than that amount. So you would, if you got a number that was bigger than that, you would still only put $3,500. So just be aware of that as you're working through these other ones. It's the same process as we took on number 7, but if you get a number that's bigger than the maximum, you put that down and the insurance company pays the rest automatically. So I think you'll be able to figure that out pretty well.